World star. We back at it, guys. Back at it. We back at it. City of Stonecrest. Canoe Boyz. We got the canoe captain out here. Hey, canoe captain. Here you go our paddle girl. Let me see the back of your shirt. Hey, she do have on shorts. I know she look like a dress. Let me see. City of Stonecrest. You pull your shirt down. That's the paddle girl. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see the back. And happy birthday to Princess Zyana. She our canoe captain. Yeah. I got a canoe captain. All right, guys. We back at it. We on the river. We want to make sure our canoe is on point. Keep y'all updated. Beautiful morning. Feel good out here. Like I say, those tides, they haven't risen to the level I would like. But we got more weight on the canoe. So we'll see how this go, man, because my guess is we're gonna definitely have to get out and get past a lot of these sandbars. But we'll keep you guys updated. And like I say, we're back at it. Stay tuned. Woohoo! Hey, birthday girl, what do you expect on your first canoe trip? What do you expect out there on the river? Do you expect to boss this guy around?
I'm excited, and this is my first time going canoeing with the boys.
I think you're gonna have an awesome experience. I think you're gonna really have fun. How do you plan on staying safe on the river?
Without flipping.
Without flipping? That would be awesome. That way you can stay dry, and you know, keep your.
We have to try to get not wet.
Yeah, you're right. We're gonna try to not get wet. So, how do you feel about having the princess captain out here, the canoe princess captain, aka paddle girl?
More weight.
More weight?
Yes.
So, I mean, what type of challenges you think that may bring?
Getting stuck in sand.
Getting stuck in the sandbar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that happening, but are you prepared to get those feet wet?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what you have to do. It sounds like you prepared. Looking forward to it. And guys, like I say, I left my Fulani hat today, so the plan is to get out here with these youngins and again have the create some memories, you know, have a unique experience. And like I say, we'll try our best to be safe. Like I say, we don't have no big tides, no big rapids, so like I say, we'll definitely see how this go with the additional weight. So you guys, like I say, we'll keep you updated. We're gonna get out here and enjoy this beautiful morning, man. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, but it feels good. Stay tuned. Like, got the gang out here. Got some sunlight. Got the gang out here. I'm trying to get ready to start. No, we're not gonna let you fall off. The food is up under your butt.
Ew.
It is. Stand up.
Not open it.
Stand up. The snacks is up under there. Now open it up. I told you, it's the snacks up under there. See? Now you can shut it. And then if you get thirsty, you can drink your water and then put it into your cup holder. And then this right here, we ain't gonna put fish in there.
Fish?
If we catch a fish or a turtle, we can put him in there. He'll be our prisoner.
But,
No, not our prisoner. We're not
but
gonna.
Papa, we don't have our fishing pool.
You're right. See, we gotta get back on. We gotta get back on point. All right. All right. Hey guys, we're waiting on the game back there. We're gonna be first in line, and like I say, we just gotta get some chemistry going. We got the Princess. We got the Princess canoe captain over here, and yeah, we got to get that jiggy. All right, sis, I'm gonna need you to use some muscle, man, when we got to control. Okay. We're gonna wait after. We're gonna wait for the leader to go. After the leader to go, we're gonna go behind him. But we got a head start now. All right, guys. Y'all stay tuned in. Like I say, the rest of the gang is behind us. It's Friday, not Friday the 13th. I'm sorry, Saturday the 14th. Just had the yeah. Anyway, we'll keep y'all updated, man. They was back there flipping over already, so we got a little rough. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we still waiting on the leader. That way nothing happened crazy. So we got a leader in the front and we got a caboose in the back. So like I say, here go the rest of the game. Got the GoPro. We ready to rock and roll. We at Panola Shores. We're gonna make our way all the way down to Klondike. And like I say, once he takes the lead, we right behind him, man. We're gonna rock and roll. And we're gonna see how well we do with all of this, with this new weight we got in here. We ran 3 deep. 3 deep. So everybody say what's up to Sirius.
What's up?
And then he's pretty much our conductor. And then we got the captain on board. And yeah, so we're gonna rock and roll.
It's okay, it's okay. We can play bumper cars. Bumper boat.
Here we go, we rolling. Yeah, we're gonna go around Panola Mountain, guys. We just taking it easy. I didn't bring my hat today, and like I said, we just taking it easy.
Wait, what is that?
Huh?
I just saw a horn like a shark.
Oh, Zai, you don't know how to paddle, man. Look what you're doing.
Let's get it low.
Morning. So you back here chilling, huh? That's what's up. We chilling too. Just made it past the obstacle course, guys. I couldn't record the film. Got a little rough back there, but we'll keep you guys updated. Got a lot of debris, and like I say, got to be able to maneuver. We got a ship compared to everyone else, but it'll work out. You know what I mean? All right, y'all stay tuned. How's it working so far?
Working good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Or say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
You gonna say hi to your mom?
Hi, Mama.
You can say hi to JoJo.
Hi, Jojo.
Anybody else want to say hi to? Rain, Uncle Ya, anybody? That's it? All right, well, we fixing to finish going, and then I will keep you guys updated, but we on the river with the canoe captain. All right. I mean, you can tell we experienced it, right? Hey, guys, we just went through the obstacle course. I couldn't even film, I promise you. I couldn't even film. I mean, that's how serious it was, but the river is definitely calm today. And like I said, we got extra weight in here, and we got the canoe princess, the captain, paddle girl.
Hello.
Yeah, that's her right there. So yeah, the rest of the gang behind us, and it's a, you know what, guys, we got more obstacles coming up. I don't know if you guys can see them, but let me get back to work. All right, keep you guys updated. Again, guys, we just cruising the river. Here we go. Yeah. Sandbar, got a little. We're just taking it easy, guys. Like I say, we got the captain with us. I can't say it enough. And yeah, We just taking it easy, but you got folk up front, and all right, we got what is that? Alligator? A shark? Let's just cruise, man. Take it easy right now. Yeah, I seen coyote tracks over there. And whew. I need to bring my lucky hat next time. I can't forget my hat. Alright, you can paddle. I need some help. How can I go? Let's just take it easy. Oh, you caught one? Look at that. Look at that. Alright, well let me get back to steering. I got to steer. You caught one? Told you. You can catch one. Alright, cool. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see it. I was recording. Woohoo! Catching up. Alright. Deep in. Faster. There she said again. I'm not even pedaling. She's getting a free ride. You want to take a break, but you ain't been pedaling. You ain't been doing no work. Man, she's doing all of the work. You're just getting a free ride. All right, well, you can take a break and take it easy. We're going to take a break, okay? Bridge. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you, baby. Yep. There you go. And then you can get your water. I'm going to watch everybody else come around the corner. All right, guys, we're having a break. We had the sandbar. Hey, somebody left their ball. They're out playing.
Yeah, sure.
Somebody left their golf ball.
Oh, no.
There's another golf ball right here. There's one by Sid's feet. We just throw them over in the canoe, collect them. Want to put them in the canoe, Sirius? Mm-hmm. All right, throw them in the canoe when you leave.
All right.
Y'all about to play soccer? Kick it to me. Oh no, he kicked it in the hole. If I kick it in the hole and y'all don't stop it, that means it's a score. I made it. Oh, almost. It should kick about a golf ball. That means I made it.
Then we have to get it through the golf ball.
Okay.
No, the golf balls are over there. I thought you were on my team.
No, I'm Papa T.
What?
Thank you. Score. I won. He's struggling out there.
You enjoying it?
Uh-huh.
You enjoying it?
My viewers finna be entertained. Let me give you a hand. Oh.
Is this where we get out?
Uh,
Oh, good.
there you go.
Where's my mom gonna get her?
Oh, she done went down the river? Oh, there she is.
Papa, what happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, no, I just helped pull her up so she don't keep flowing down. God bless you.
Thank you.
It's the rest of the game. This one right here says she needed a break. She done nothing. We gotta go. Like if I get on this river right here, I would ride on that one right there. Yeah, there's even more back there, I told you. There go the rest of the game, guys. There go the rest of the game. Oh no, wrong time to get stuck. You can throw it over here. We got four of them on the way. We got four. We collect them every time we come. They watch that for the golf
We got a ship too.
Yeah, we got a ship too. Yeah. Nate, this your first kayak? Oh wow, so you getting a workout? Oh wow. Dougie, come on in, we got you, buddy. Alright, back up, man. Yeah, we cheering for you. We don't want you to flip just yet. There you go. No, we don't. Back up. Oh, grab it. Got you, buddy. So you the caboose today, huh? Okay. What you got there? Some potential? Okay. All right, you on it. All right, we got the gang, y'all. Yeah, we got everybody. These are deer tracks. Look. These are deer tracks. There's
been heading for 12 years now. Time flies. With the sole purpose of improving water quality and the aesthetic value and the recreational value of this river, which until we took an interest, nobody cared about, most folks never heard about. But that's changing, and it's like these paddles that are sold out and people come back, so that's an indication that it's working. The river isn't perfect. On a day like today, the water quality is fine. The water quality gets to be challenged when it rains because of pollution from DeKalb County and instead of Atlanta. But when it rains and the water's high, you don't want to be out here anyway. Because this river carries a lot of stormwater. I mean, it flows full bank a lot. Wow. So you can see how much water is in the river. So as I work to get these put in and take out in place, but only one kayak can take out at a time. So don't bunch up, queue up as you move down the river.
Uh-oh, sorry. Alright. It's a bird. Alright, let's rock and roll. Because you was I was trying to get you to look through it so you could see the picture. But that's how you know you're recording. Okay. When I stopped pedaling, see? That's what happened. behind you. Record that crag and the big old trees. Maybe your dirty feet in the water. You don't have to record no more. I hold it.
What are you recording? What are you recording, huh? Papa, what are you recording?
You.
Hey! I love this sound.
You post up pictures anywhere?
Yes, ma'am. Alligator. We need that help right there to help push it.
Yeah. I'm on the coast.
She's behind that bush. Sorry, yeah, they go. How are you, buddy? What are you eating? You eating that grass? What's up, buddy? You eating that grass? He's so big and strong. Look at all of that poop. He eating all of that grass, you see? He's eating that grass. Hi, what's up, buddy? How are you? Hey, buddy. How are you? You doing okay? How are you, buddy? See, I pet their horse. There you go. I'll see you later, man. Finish your food. You didn't say hi to him. You was afraid of him, weren't you? Were you afraid?
Oh.
Yeah, you was afraid of him. You wasn't. Why didn't you rub him? He came over to say hello. All right, sis, give you a... Oh, but you didn't say anything. Okay, well, you can put it in your pocket. Let's lift it up and hey, get the vest. You don't have no pocket.